we can decide on.
Say
the Odino be
Veronica Itana. Veronica is top.
Oh, Minim Sabat.
Mikoho, I think last week or so.
Last week. Oh, okay.
Solid place.
Oh, yeah.
One apartment, spa, 2 bedrooms, 3 bedrooms.
Veronica
said, even away from the Valentine's Day, the Valentine anyway. Now, pe baby, I could do na say family near they had even single rooms, chamber and hall suites now. And baby, a one wall. I hold you share so top serene
environment.
Yeah, it's the best place. I could
beat me up.
Which was a told me grandpa, and he say I worry for near the for train Valentine's Day. Saturday be. Na ko book na wife di.
Nem kwalani na.
Then we quite do in fact.
Kankran ko weekend o abrewa no.
Who tell you na say.
Inya kwankwe de ekoye. Ngrani bi haje no do.
Eh o mu bi haje.
Dada upi.
How much?
Oh, when we got ye bi o.
I junior the bi o. Daddy upi. Yeah, really. What is the worst way that gatan wa you?
Sometimes you nyɛ saa nneɛma no.
You doing so.
Nti mo fan kra no nkɔ. We dem ya na nka me ka bia man kra ba. Mo fo mo nkɔma ma mo nana mo.
Mo fo mo kɔ na.
Na mo kɔ very unique height. Na nyame adoma Saturday we.
Yeah.
Or bed the style bi.
So mo pool side omo ye excellent Valentine's Day night dinner.
Na fin.
Wow. Oh, they're not fin. They're not fin.
Yeah.
On eba.
On the banner or dog no
and all of those.
I mean, super. Instead of na fin eba. Na a tip side honey na no.
And what you see, Anna, because Veronica is a top level. No? If you are also senior, there's some senior men they don't like the too much noise and all baby for front. Serene by the poolside, and then I think so. But it tells you that class of people, top level people, of course. But me sure the prices on Nyadi, be a decent prices.
1,000 cedis. Oh, couple
for couple.
1,000.
Oh.
1,000 Ukraine, it comes with wine and a kebab.
Oh.
And then you might be bleeding
on the side.
1,000 cedis.
Wow.
Oh, yeah, singular 600.
And it's really. And the men costing when yes,
Valentine is here in Quaint. And so Publica.
Returning your candy any Saturday.
I was in
action. Action. Went me your quality.
Ono anso predudo. Uti ube ye no age say ya 5 matches ada. Omu na ka woni ntime win the game no. Hwehwe ni musa.
No you want to say no number ya.
Operation I Kofi no e ko mu game nim pa.
Ya ko be ya rich.
O Kofi bisa me cooperation as o jimidi.
Operation very cool.
No operation am ye no game no. Omo say ni ma.
Rich. Away at the London Olympic Stadium was always going to be tough.
Very, very tough.
Honestly, because Nuno Espirito Santo as a manager, he has good results usually for the Manchester United. Then away from that, you look at the fact that West Ham as a team were beginning to build in confidence in our last few matches. Some of their players are playing well. And now, time when I gave me Babe ended before some Mexican. West Ham should have killed off the game. Saw a chance from Adamamu. Saw chances from West Ham had good chances to kill off the match, but they could not do it.
Just boring them.
And I kept on asking myself, and the idea we there to come back to come enhance them, and truly it did. When the quality of Benjamin Sesko came up, good cross from Brian Mbeumo, put the ball to the back of the net. So for me, it was always going to be a tough one. Which whatever happens in this game, the best thing that Michael Carrick has done and what he has gotten is the profile in now or their moment. We all felt that United air against the lower side, lower block sides, and that is where the big question should be asked of them. But although it hasn't been too easy, hasn't been too flamboyant, they've solved it. Almost solved our problem. Sure. And now, United's performance in breaking down West Ham United low block was not bad at all. And it is because of 4 separate reasons. Which the very first one is the fact that there is now a complementing pair of centre back. You say this year more right-footed centre back and more left-footed centre back, and both of them are ball playing. Maguire the ball, Leandro Martinez the ball, Bobby. And even when the game stretched, the defensive job of Obi Lenny Yoro and all of that was super, especially in the match, you know, when he played in. So all of these small things plus Sekobi Menu Fifi if you want to know original in between or no any based on where Bruno Fernandes will be, you know, or recycle possession. He's one of the best that you can get. Or turn it na ball na call wide or turn it na ball na Benechi, and constantly it kept United rolling. The biggest problem that I think United will have is baby able constantly doing it. That left hand side on him. And so that
was very, very poor.
You see, Rich, that is the weakness of Luke Shaw.
Very, very poor.
Okay, time I must start to say about Patrick Dogu was outside on him. Now me catch you say Nhyira correct about Patrick Dogu on. Or because Patrick is a defender. And he is as a winger. So Samukita Bona attack, he has the license to roam. But Samuni Bona, the first responsibility is to drop and come and help Luke Shaw because Luke Shaw has issues physically. Or a very technical fullback. I mean, some fullbacks not minimum, but three back, the archetype of the Trent Alexander-Arnold. But the problem is the physicality that Luke Shaw doesn't have. So for me, it looks as if Nuno Espirito Santo read it and realized that the weakness of the United team on the night was on the left-hand side. And left us here, boy, young long and call Luke Shaw, so we will win the duel. Of course, when you have the likes of Shushekamo in areas like that, Wilson, Moon, those areas are obviously they'll be able to win those. And it was a very, very good long ball for Abrantia Freddy Diouf. Crossfield one, making sure say he will move West Ham up the field of play. And that was the difference on the night. Rich, I like the United performance. It wasn't too bad. And I think that's enough to build up on it, especially based on the result, of course. Because
I don't know how many GN.
Yeah.
Like I'm already time I gave him Lucy.
Okay.
Oh yeah, give Lucy.
Okay.
The mentality of the players.
Yeah.
So look, give me a point.
Yeah.
I cut 30 seconds.
Yeah.
You bet me a second.
Yeah.
And I love that. No, lose game maybe.
I know idea. Say 90 plus 11 or so.
Yeah, lose
and I'm 95, 11 seconds on the dot now. Motika on the 7 and a torso. And it was Benjamin Sesko. Sesko's confidence is brewing. Because Sabo no share. Yeah, Sabo no share. And Sesko in the early days, he would have been off Kakra. And I think the United are there. You see, at the highest level, Rich, there's no sympathy.
And the position in your crowd.
It doesn't
2 step down or relegation.
Yeah. It doesn't help the business. And into Obeko. It is true. There are a lot of injuries about Torian Mospe. But they won't let him be there. Maybe you're done in here. Imagine Torian Mospe being relegated after Ange Postecoglou, Antonio Conte, Jose Mourinho, Nuno Espirito Santo, almost relegation. It's going to be a lot for them. Now, they've just pulled it off. Pulled the plug on Thomas Frank, which the job of being at Brentford, Brighton, teams, Crystal Palace, where we play as Timipra, now the relegations only a Jawa season ending. It is different. When you go to even the lower class top teams, it's a Tottenham Hotspur. Even Villa now, you don't get it easy like that. It's difficult for them, and that is where Thomas Frank is. Imagine. How is Thomas Frank's CV going to look like? Going from Brentford, going up to Tottenham Hotspur, and then sinking low, losing the job now. How is it going to look like for him? But of course, they do not care. Which, many Chelsea performance now, but many injury results now.
Okay.
It's the same way like when I was watching the United game. Excellent performance from Chelsea, especially in the first half. Which, from the beginning of Liam Rossinier coming to Chelsea, I told you, it looks as if psychologically and emotionally he's on top of the game. And he's not trying to change Nyama from the tactical point of view. However, he is bidding time. Now, when you're time on the training ground, and maybe you will make a couple more tweaks. Adia Bakwana Chelsea struggle a lot under Enzo Maresca. And the Debiane Maresca Kokobo inverted fullback, and I Chelsea for only complaining. Rich, it is because in the world of football, zones ni moving and the nation say tactical board bit maybe. Zones are park losing down here 5. The left outside zone, the right outside zone, Then of course the half spaces, no, and of course the central zone, which is usually a higher one zone. Inside the one zone, then the central zone. Enzo Maresca time not about in a 4-3-3 nominally, then it will change to something else. Usually, which also no time inverting Edia Makukrea next to the number 6. Which Senebea Obenya more numbers in the middle of the pack. It is a team no able in a 5-4-1. Say over 2 players na press on Fifi on ma plus the number 10 Obenya 3v3 or sometimes even a 4v3 of Fifi on. But Sasani Lisia Ane Muti isolating the wingers no ha. So wingers need a good 1v1 or when you good dribblers at the sofa. And on Chelsea's left, it is clear that Pedro Neto and Alejandro Garnacho, they are not the best dribblers. Garnacho is very good when he's running into space and the game is transitional. Pedro Neto same, not the best in terms of a winger who dribbles 1v1 and gets the job done. That was the big issue of Enzo Maresca's system, playing against low blocks. It is our time, no. Only Chelsea only didn't come over and say, oh, Maresca elbow against low blocks of bread, or against low blocks of bread. So how was he going to do? Rich, what Liam Rossinier has done, mainly because he had worked with Andre Santos before. Because the profiling has been top. Nobody in a 2-2-6. 2 centre backs for her, 4 and 5. And I reach instead so be inverted fullback or inverted fullback. Nia Oyen said, although we need 2 midfielders, no 6 and 8, no, this time Andre Santos any more Caicedo, agent of Fifi say. Rich. And although it's a number 10 who is in the central zone in this area as Cole Palmer. Then make sure that he keeps the weight when the number 2 no ha. Then Abrante friend Estevao William comes into the right half space. Then Enzo Fernandez, who is in the left half space, no comes here as the left half space number 10. Then Marco Correa keeps the weight. And it's in the fullbacks who are now going to keep the weight. And Enzo Fernandez move Fifi. So everyone says, "Oh, give me beer." Obia one should be doing no see. Usually, Cole Palmer is behind the midfield line of team your friend of Leeds United. And it was what was making the difference in the game. Bona Chelsea Boding Nano. They were very, very successful in that regard. This is the image I wanted to show you. This is the 23rd minute. Chelsea for one per and break it down. The role of Andre Santos was always the first receiver. It's rich. So what's your notation now? A champion Chaloba. Then the 2 fullbacks, Malo Gusto and Marco Correa. Correa is now not inverting. There are 2 midfielders, proper midfielders with Fifi on them. And the first receiver now is Andre Santos. Rich, Andre is good. Andre is very, very good. Sometimes you can understand why the Mares can be so very rushy boy. But maybe because Liam had worked with him before Strasbourg, no? It was easier for him to give him the confidence to Kokowo. First half, there were 57 passes, 56 completed. Now, half time, no. All the analysis are now Sky if one year now was on Andre Santos. The pass no the mark Cole Palmer for Cole Palmer to set up Joao Pedro. This is it. Say, body back Andre sir. Look at the lines here. He breaks it. And Caicedo doesn't break this. In fact, in terms of line breaking, Andre Santos usually is good on the ball. Lavia, all of those people are very good, and even Enzo Fernandez. Once he found this pass to Cole Palmer, he will beat Leeds United for the press now. I mean, it is difficult. Mekacho say, "Wolves here are wolf." Obi Ashenibi. But Ubo Leeds United, that's what teach you about so you're good at. Then you are good. In the first half, it was all Chelsea. In fact, since 2004, this is the very first time at Chelsea Abo game Mama dominated possession. And you can tell in the course of the game. And I knew we see just before Chelsea first goal. Liam was near Fred Trevor Chaloba so Ramachari. Or buying on train paper. And all your annotations also say, Adia make a coach Coca Joao Pedro. Which or call Joao Pedro no castle at the corner channel. In the next slide, I'll show you exactly what he wanted to mean. Which so we annotation now, miniature earlier on now. Everything he said is here. Say Cole Palmer and Enzo Fernandez head drop some mobile Jibo on Waha. The 2 outside centre back of the Leeds, no, Eba. It is placed by Babesha on them. And that is how come Abrante friend Joao Pedro sharing a goal. In the second half, there was a penalty. Cole Palmer is getting sharper. But still, something is lingering. The individual errors. Individual errors. And Joshua Kofi a champion starting match then. and now he should have cleared this line. He didn't clear. Again, Moise Caicedo. Usually he is more circumspect with the tackles, especially in those zones. But now, again, that mistake and the game turned out. It's just 6 minutes. But that tells you where they are. I like Liam Rossini after the game said, "Your bobo we are from clips as to why they are supposed to manage games like this." So it was a 2-2 draw, but I like the performance. However, this was a talk of town. Video, no, did you believe it?
Imagine pass Winka Jackson here.
You understand?
You understand? Cannot pay.
Yeah.
Chelsea fans be crucifying on.
I want to say.
How the Kupama did?
Because also Rich Kupama on record of always scoring. Jackson don't know say baby and I go and go see.
That question is simple. Boy.
It's an apparent and the
question is simple.
And me started say maybe home come. And Andy so me nyan to was na de obi you know be a kyerem. O yi Lionel Messi de kyerem. O yi Cristiano Ronaldo de kyerem.
Oh, one day sometimes I mean it's
the big players it happens to them. And Liam Rossini say if it is 1,000 timer he will trust Kopa. Na ne come across on no Kopa man angazan kwa no I shocked. O dina let me know.
Who dey was saying
this? How did I miss that? Because I heard money na cartoon na Kopa I'm missing. So I mean that was it. Good result for both man. Me sure Chelsea match and I'm say kai man call against fast. When I say Benjamin Sesko and I'm say Juma against Juma. Enough for me. Enough for me prefer because I say we go control the Leeds for any one of Leeds for any about. Alpha it's a Liverpool. Snappy. They are going away to Sunderland. I don't see Liverpool winning this one. Regis Libria has been very good at home. Now, almost unbeaten record EOFie, the only team in the Premier League. On my last 5 results, someone Sunderland, Abo, any. Now, I want you to pay keen attention to the games that they played at home. They've played 2017 Ombo 2-2 Honum. Then this time in 2015, Liverpool could share 1 goal in that area. So it's very tough for Liverpool when they go away from playing at Sunderland. But then again, it's a game that I have a strong feeling it's a goal. It's a bit to me about Man City. Any the return of Abrantia. Your friend John Stones. Arsenal will play on Thursday, and the DFB Pokal. There's a big game in Germany. Yeah, expect to say because Rich. I'm very sure. Now, me and Komona are coming to us, but that was a good weekend and match weekend now. They come here against now what?
But and slot, so that game will lose it to Sunderland. Maybe or perhaps, maybe at this time Liverpool will take a decision on him.
Oh, they have to wait till the end of the season.
Sir,
they have to wait till the end of the season.
Oh, they say teams in the if you say look, result-oriented teams. Into Ubana, no matter the situation, problems are here from me and then matter. I had a business. If the result is not coming, we better sack him. Based
on what happened to Anslot last season or G League, I think that he has bought himself 1 more season with a trophy in OGN. Until the season would have to end.
Okay.
You see, and again. Liverpool also understand that it is not a struggling Sunderland.
No problem.
It's a Sunderland side that Arsenal money and they have gone there
and then
they've not gotten the results. So you have to be a little bit careful with them now. Man City if you against Fulham there, say a home match.
Okay.
Anna. City at home against Fulham.
Oh, Meshe. City Meshe.
I know who Fatah is I could go.
Yeah, Meshe.
Fatah won't show Leicester.
I didn't know that.
Onche. Be trying to enche ya.
Okay.
Was born on ball too good, especially with that strong left foot. Very very good part. And there are more matches for. So yebema eti for code. Mr. Mebubama first one a BW 3B 36 A317. Second one a BW 3B 368AB2. Third one a BW 3B 3683E8. The fourth one a BW 3B 366D10, and the very last one a BW 3 B 3 6 3 9 3 C H.
Lemento green. Enguso.
I'm going but we are hoping say we'll get back to Enguso. Yeah.
Nkomo so I hope say bibia sorted.
Aye. See you there.
Mate. Atikasa. I tell you right now